If Krita has been feeling a little slow, laggy, or like it just isn't using enough of your computer's resources, then this video is going to help. Today, I'm going to show you how to give Krita more RAM so you can improve performance while still keeping your system stable. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if you work with larger brushes, bigger canvases, or more detailed artwork. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. To get started, open Krita on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Settings. From that drop-down menu, choose Configure Krita. This will open the settings window where you can adjust a variety of options for the application. Inside the Configure Krita window, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Performance. This is the section that controls how Krita uses your computer's memory and other resources. Once you're in the performance area, look for the General tab. This is where you'll find the memory limit slider. The memory limit slider is the key setting here because it controls how much RAM Krita is allowed to use. If the setting is too low, Krita may feel slower than it should. If it's too high, your computer may not have enough memory left for the operating system and other apps. So the goal is to find a healthy balance. To increase Krita's RAM usage, click and drag the slider to the right. As a good rule of thumb, aim for around 70% to 80%. That usually gives Krita enough memory to work smoothly without overloading your system. Just be careful not to max it out completely, especially if you don't have a lot of RAM installed. It's very important to leave at least 1.5 gigabytes to 2 gigabytes for your operating system. That extra memory helps prevent freezing, lag, or crashes while you're multitasking. So even though it might be tempting to push the slider all the way up, a little breathing room for your computer is the safer choice. Once you've selected the memory amount that works for you, make sure to save your changes. Depending on your version of Krita, you may need to click OK or apply to confirm the new setting. After that, restart Krita so the change fully takes effect. Restarting is important because some performance settings won't update until the app is reopened. After Krita starts back up, you should notice that it has more memory available to work with. That can help improve responsiveness, especially on larger projects. If you still experience slowdowns, you can come back to this same performance section later and fine-tune the slider a little more. So that's how you give Krita more RAM in just a few clicks. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a real difference in your workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.